Hello, welcome to our video tutoring how to use Tracker. And we are we are going to use a pendulum. We're going to track a pendulum in our Tracker tutorial video. And our pendulum is going to move back and forth. We filmed a pendulum swinging back and forth, starting at a 30-degree angle, and we're trying to find the velocity and acceleration of that pendulum. So, we used the camera to film the pendulum. So the link to downloading the Tracker is on Schoology for Miss Bryan's physics, and
Class.
This is what and this is what it's gonna look like when you have finished downloading it and open it. So once you got Tracker open, you want to upload the video you just recorded of the pendulum onto Tracker so you could track your acceleration and velocity of the pendulum mass. So to do that, we're going to go to File, over here, File, and then there's going to be a drop box that comes down, and hit Open. Once you click on Open, you get this little box right here, and you could choose whatever file you want from the folders on your computer. And so we're going to upload this file called Tracker Icon PNG. Has to be in video format because we are tracking a video. Alright, so once you do that, once you opened everything, click on Open, and to open up your video on Tracker. Once you've uploaded your video, this is what it's going to look like. And then to start tracking the mass of the pendulum, to calculate the acceleration and velocity, click on the track, and then there's going to be a drop box, and click on Track Point Mass. So once you do that, it's going to look like this. So what you do here is you hold down Shift on your keyboard and then use your mouse to click wherever the bottom of your pendulum is, and each time you click it's going to go to a new frame of the video. So pretty much every time you just click where it is, and you do that until the end of the video. Once you've clicked on the mass enough times to track the motion you wanted to track of the pendulum, you will have a graph that looks like this on the right, and a table that looks like this on the right as well, but below the graph. These are the coordinates of the points that you plotted every time you click on the pendulum. So you can see we've plotted the pendulum multiple times in a time frame of around 2 seconds. Or 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds. I don't know how many seconds that is. Not much. But that's enough to have some data points of how the pendulum moved. So according to the XY coordinate plane right here, the pendulum moved like that. Like a cosine graph.
So this is the full graph, and it has all the points that we've tracked using the mass on the pendulum. And this graph is time versus position, and it's the distance from the equilibrium of the mass. And it's a cosine graph.
And as you can see, the graph goes through an oscillatory motion, up and down, like the actual pendulum, which goes back and forth like this. And these are the plotted points, the X and Y coordinates, just in case you needed these, and the time that it took to get there, and it helps you find the acceleration and the velocity if you need.
To calculate it using equations
Yeah,
manually.
manually. So there you go. That's how you use Tracker. Thanks, guys.